How I would start making money with AI from $0, step-by-step plan. If I lost everything today, no money, no skills, no audience, and I had to start from zero using AI, what would I actually do? Not theory, not random ideas, a real step-by-step plan that anyone can follow. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would rebuild from zero using AI tools and simple methods. Stay till the end, because this plan can literally change how you approach making money online. Let's start. Step 1. Choose one method. The first thing I would do is pick one method. Not 5, not 10, just one. Most beginners fail because they try everything at once. Instead, I would choose something simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. For example, AI content creation or freelancing. This method is easy to start, requires no investment, and has real demand. Take a moment and understand this. Clarity is more important than options. Step 2. Learn the basics fast. After choosing the method, I wouldn't waste time watching endless videos. I would focus only on the basics. For example, how to use AI tools properly, how to write better prompts, how to edit and improve the output. Just 1 to 2 hours of focused learning is enough to get started. Don't aim for perfection, aim for action. Step 3. Create a simple offer. Now it's time to turn skills into income. I would create a simple offer. Something like, I will create AI-generated content for blogs and social media. Keep it clear, keep it simple. You don't need a website or a big setup. Just a clear service that solves a problem. This is where most people overthink. Don't. Step 4. Take action immediately. Now comes the most important part. Action. I would start reaching out to clients. Apply for gigs. Send messages. Offer your service. At first, you might get no response. That's normal. Take a moment here. This is where most people quit. But this is also where real progress begins. Step 5. Improve and repeat. Once I get my first response or small task, I would focus on improving. Make better content, communicate better, deliver faster, then repeat the process. More outreach, more improvement, more results. This is how small wins turn into real income. Not overnight, but step by step. What most people do wrong. Now let's be honest. Most people jump between methods, expect fast money, give up too early. If you avoid these 3 mistakes, you are already ahead of 90% of people. Take that seriously. Final thoughts. If I had to start from zero, this is exactly what I would do. No shortcuts, no hype, just a simple plan with consistent action. AI is a powerful tool, but your success depends on how you use it. If you stay focused and keep going, results will come. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more real strategies, AI methods, and online income content. See you in the next video.